Okay, that was my bad. I'm telling you that your number 3 and 4 went to the switch. It does not. It goes to the wall plug. I don't know what the heck I was thinking. It's early. Still waking up, I guess. So yeah, the white went to 3 and 4, and this blackish gray color went straight to here, which goes around and then comes out to the switch. So 3 and 4, which is these two, go into the motor. All right, and then number 1 and 2, 1 and 2, those go also into the motor, but this end connects to the white. So 1 and 2 go to the white, which goes to the switch, and these ones here, number 3 and 4, go to the plug on the white side, and then the blackish gray colored one goes into the switch. We thought that'd be so difficult to do. I hate wiring.